Good morning, boys and girls. Today for language arts, you have a couple of different sorting mats. You have a cat, a duck, a snail, a rabbit, but it says hop. So hop is the word that you're going to be looking at. And a bug. Okay, so we're going to use these cutting mats. And then you're going to need these 2 pages of words. If you cut them out, you can cut them out or an adult can cut them out. Mix them up, and then what you're going to do is you're going to look at the words. So if you spread your mats out so you can see them all, I would spread all my mats out, okay, so I could see all the words, okay? And it sounds like cat. All of them are the picture. Sounds like snail, except for the bunny is hop. Okay? So we're looking for words that rhyme. So I'm going to find one of the words that I cut out and sound it out. Mat. Okay, well, what does mat sound like? Does it sound like cat? Or does it sound like duck? Mat sounds like cat. Also, we're going to be looking at the ending of the word. It should be the same as whatever mat you're putting it on. So, mat goes with cat. I'm just going to put it there. I'm not going to glue these down because I'm going to need them for tomorrow. So, I don't want you to glue them down. Also, there are only 6 dotted line spots, but there are 12 words. So after you fill up the 6 spots, just put the words on the mat, okay? It doesn't have to go in a square. There's only 6 of the dotted line squares, but you have 12 words that will go on each mat. 12 words that will go on each mat. Sort them. And then tomorrow we're going to use these cards for something else. So don't glue them down. Just lay them on the mat. Okay? I hope that you have fun finding rhyming words.